Okay, this is another exciting project. I love how visually appealing this one is and how it pulls in multiple third-party libraries to help us uh, create a cool little web page here, an interactive web page. This is what we'll be creating, this country's page based on a freely available REST API. We can navigate through the page. We can show a lot of entries. We could search for countries. We can sort. And a lot of this functionality is not Python, but it's JavaScript. So I'll provide you some JavaScript that will help enable this. But the Python part of it is we're going to be pulling in all of these countries, all 250 countries, with this data. And there's actually a lot more data that you could pull in if you so desired. We're pulling in a very minimal amount of data. But we're pulling this in from a REST API and then populating this page with Flask. So a bit more of an introduction on this is there's this website called restcountries.com. And I discovered this a while back because I was looking for some free APIs that we could consume to teach pulling data from an API with JSON in Python. And I love this one because it's freely available and there's a lot of information here. So it's a great example for us to use. So they provide a lot of information about countries. And if we if we access this API from this page, https:// restcountries.com/v3.1/all, then we see we have all the data that we want about countries. So let's see, we have South Georgia as a country, and that's the common name of it. We see so much other data. I don't even know what all this means. Some currencies they use, the capital, some translations, latitude, longitude, the flag. We have a little image of a flag, which we'll be pulling. A Google map, street maps, population. There's 30 people in this country. Time zones, continents, more flags. I think that's actually the flag we're pulling is that PNG, not this little icon. Coat of arms, if they have one. So that's like, there's a lot of fun data here. And we're pulling about, I think, 4 data points. If we look back here, we're pulling the name, the population, the flag, and languages. We could pull more. You could add more, whatever you'd like here to this project quite easily. And we can pull it in with Flask, and then, we can pull it in with the requests module in Python, and then we can use Flask to populate our own web page that looks like this. So that's in a nutshell what we'll be doing, and looking forward to doing this project with you. I think it's a fun one to add to your resume, your tool belt, and to learn from.